When it comes to the prop trading industry and specifically in the Forex category, transparency, reliability aren't just the buzzwords. They are essential and super important.
There are many firms that make very flashy promises, but they can't keep them. How does Hola Prime avoid that?
We take a very hard stance on this, Sam. Like for us, it's simple if we don't offer it and we don't market it.
Why you chose transparency as your branding strategy?
We are essentially redrawing the lines of what traders can expect from a prop trading firm instead of just I would say like confusing, too restrictive rules kind of a thing and all the false breaches. We are creating a space actually where transparency is the core priority.
Hello friends and welcome to Ola Trader Stories. Today I'm joined by a very special guest, Mr. Himanshu Chandel, who's not a trader, but he is the marketing head here at Hola Prime. An IIM alumni with an MTech in machine learning, so clearly a very qualified individual. Himanshu, welcome to the show. Thank you for coming.
Thanks a lot, Sam. Thanks.
The pleasure's all mine. So Himanshu, tell the viewers a bit about your background, how you got into marketing, etc.
Sure. So, Sam, I have always been fascinated by this industry. I have had over a decade of experience across industries like FMCG, e-commerce, D2C, cryptocurrency, dating, and then gaming. And prior joining to Ola Prime, I was working as head of performance marketing at ITC, where I was handling some leading brands. Now I'm here at Ola Prime, and it has been amazing over here.
Wow, I mean that's pretty fascinating. All the different industries that you've come from. You know, you mentioned gaming, dating, etc. How do those experiences shape your approach here at Ola Prime?
So Sam, when it comes to each industry I have worked in, it has taught me some really valuable lessons. But having done marketing in the gaming industry, I understand how the customers in that category think and behave in a very repetitive pattern. But when it comes to Ola Prime, we want, it's totally a opposite kind of people over here which we have onboarded. Like opposite of gamers actually. So hence my experience helps us in targeting the real traders who genuinely want to trade and earn profits for us and also themselves.
Mm. Yeah, I mean I agree. I mean Ola Prime is all about transparency and ethics, and the creating a platform for genuine traders. How does that reflect in your marketing for Ola Prime?
Absolutely, Sam. I think when it comes to the prop trading industry and specifically in the Forex category, in general, transparency and reliability and some ethical practices aren't just the buzzwords. Actually, they are essential and super important. So I think there are many prop firms which do gamification of trading and want to attract multiple clients just by showing any kind of all the attractive gimmicks and bring out an addictive pattern from them, where they keep paying and buying plans again and again. But when it comes to Ola Prime, I think pattern from them where they keep paying and buying plans again and again. They take the route, I think, which is it's a very different kind of a route they take, because their revenue stream is the subscription fees. On the contrary front, our revenue stream is from the profit the traders make. We actually need some real traders. I know that a lot of people just want to play this like a game and are not genuine traders. I think they will never be attracted to us. But I think that's totally okay, since we do not want such people on our platform either. So I would say we are into the trading and profit making kind of a business, and that's precisely is our target market also. And when it comes to our revenue stream, it's directly dependent on the genuineness of traders we actually onboard on Ola Prime.
Mm. Yeah, I mean that's really refreshing to hear that the revenue, that the business model is reliant on actual traders being successful. I mean, let's be honest, in this space, there are many firms that make very flashy promises, but they can't keep them. How does Ola Prime avoid that?
Yeah, so we take a very hard stance on this, Sam. Like for us, it's simple if we don't offer it and we don't market it. and I think that is what we believe in. And there is no smoke and mirrors kind of a stuff. And every campaign, every message, and every line of copy tells the truth about who exactly we are and what we provide, and also what a real trader would like to see and get.
Yeah, I mean, that makes perfect sense. Just straightforward, no gimmicks, and I think that's what traders want now. They want a company like that in the space. Um, can you explain why you chose transparency as your branding strategy?
So our approach is very simple, be transparent and be forthcoming. If there are issues, just be open about them, and don't try to hide things, because this is what exactly the sells in the market. I would say, like, trust is the foremost important priority, and it's the only thing which matters a lot when it comes to the finance industry. So our approach towards our business, our strategy towards our branding, and when it comes to the product design, everywhere we are taking the transparency route. And as you know, at Ola Prime, we also have this transparency reports. So I would say, like, transparency is where the Ola Prime revolves. And I would say, around building trust, because I think that is what sells. This is an important space to capture from a marketing point of view. Now, when it comes to our design language, if you see it, it is very simple, not flashy, no use of dark colors, no gamification angles in the product. Apart from the product, if I talk about in terms of the content, so we craft every piece of content to help traders make very informed decisions. So there is no room of hype or hidden messages. If we are saying something, it's because we fully deliver it. So that is where Ola Prime as a brand stands.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I mean that's really fantastic work. Really good strategy as well in terms of branding. And I imagine taking that approach, it builds a good relationship with our clients.
Exactly. We are not looking for quick wins. We are in it for the long haul with our clients. We want them to feel supported and empowered to grow, knowing that we are on their side. By sticking to honest and specifically clear messaging, we are able to build relationships based on trust and mutual respect. And many of our clients have, I would say, like, shared feedback saying that our transparency feels like actually a breath of fresh air when it comes to the prop trading industry, where it's very difficult to find.
Yeah, yeah, I can absolutely agree. As a trader myself, I can imagine that is the case. So, what excites you about the future of Ola Prime?
So, what really excites me, I think, it's the potential to redefine the overall prop trading as a space that's, I would say, like, genuinely transparent and supportive. So, see, like, when it comes to traders, they face so many challenges. There is often a lack of clarity. When it comes to multiple issues, like breaches are there, payout policies are there, hidden rules are there, and even the commissions. So they are charged around these particular things. These obstacles, I would say, like, can make it difficult for them to trust the platforms they trade on, and it can ultimately affect their success. But over here at Ola Prime, we are setting out to change all of that. So that is what the overall goal is. We are essentially, redrawing the lines of what traders can expect from a prop trading firm, instead of, just, I would say, like, confusing, too restrictive rules kind of a thing, and all the false breaches. We are creating a space actually where transparency is the core priority. And apart from that, every rule, every fees, if I talk about, and every payout, all the terms is clear cut and easy to understand. So I think it's a totally transparent kind of an environment.
Yeah, and I think going back to the point, Ola Prime wants our traders to succeed. At the end of the day, if our traders succeed, we succeed. And that's really how it should be as a whole industry standard. Sadly, it's not, but that's why we fill the gap. Himanshu, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you for coming on.
Thanks a lot, Sam. It's been a pleasure. Like, I'm grateful for it. Thanks a lot.
Amazing. Thank you. And that's it for Ola Trader Stories for this episode. Please do tune in again for our next episode where we will be interviewing many different people here at Ola Prime and also clients. So once again, thank you for watching. And remember, a great platform is a great way to succeed. Take care.